the new beginning of our life. A big round of applause. A memento. The Utturyo being presented to her by Vice Principal Sir, showering reverence for her service, 26 years of service in this school, in the same institution. The memento acknowledging her service in the school. And the sweets also, sweets and pen, to sweeten her path and rewrite her retirement days. Now we request Principal Sister to express her views on the occasion.
Free time, or rather me time. She has been a part of PMS for the past 26 years. She will be a part because, as I said, she will physically be absent, but mentally she will always be present with us. I have my attachment with sister as a teacher, as a parent. As sister said, very strict as a teacher. She used to teach primary classes, as you all know, and many of the students, the pass-out students, you have been taught under her. You know how strict she is. She believes in practice. She believes in writing because, according to her, if you don't practice, you will not excel, which is very, very correct. And so copies after copies used to get finished even before the session. I basically used to call her, and I still call her Red Riding Hood because her favorite is red. Whenever it was told that, sister, you will be wearing a very favorite color of yours, she used to come up with red. And she has another name also, she is the Iron Lady. Why? Because I have never in my life, in fact, many of us have never seen her wearing winter garments. Whether it's a shawl, whether it's a sweater. And she always comes when we are shivering, literally, our teeth are clattering. I would find sister coming, as usual, and seeing her, I used to get that it is really hot outside, which was not. So, this is what sister is. She loves fried food. She has a wonderful food habit. She can eat with any combinations. She can eat luchi, puri with aloo kabri. Anything she can eat. And to her, whatever you give, she will love it. She'll love it, and she always has a smile on her face. So sister, keep that smile. I wish you all the best, and I wish you a very, very healthy life ahead. Thank you, sister.
Thank you, sister. Remembrance of our golden memories. A big round of applause. Thank you, sir.
I will request Shao sister also to hand over the gift amount.
Now, let us, I would also like to again call Desa on stage and
Many years ago, myself and sister and another great personality also joined in PMS family. Myself, sister and Paul sir. So last more than 26 plus years we passed together. It is not a small time, a long journey I spent with her. I never find sister that she is upset or not doing anything. She is always busy giving work, checking copies and everything. Every time she dedicated herself for doing the betterment of the student. My son, my daughter, everyone. There are so many students who get scolding from sister, but after that she also loved all the children. Thank you very much, sister, for your support, for your dedication, and the love you spend with all students, not only students, we all colleagues on behalf of the college. Sister, we will miss you, but one thing, stay healthy, and whatever you like to eat, enjoy your. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Sushmita.
Respected Vice Principal Sir and my dear colleagues, dear students, and very, very dear Shuparna sister. I asked her in the morning, what is your favorite song? Teary eyes, she answered me, any Rabindra Songit will do. I will try with the Rabindra Songit. Let's see.
Yeah.